Greetings, my brethren. Enough respect. Enough respect. Randy, me a old man. The older my tears me have to cry. Me cry out to my mother. Long time. Enough respect. Randy, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I talk to Talikai. I tell Talikai, anytime she get sorted, give me a call so I can call my sister back. It's now 20 past 10 in the night in London. And Randy, Virgin, thank you. I phoned my sister and I left a message for her. And blood, she got my message and responded. I've been talking to her for a period of time. She said, when she checked in on her voicemail, that's the first message she got was the one from her brother. Randy, me can't call you. Listen, man, me call Randy. Listen, man, you brought joy. You brought joy to me. Okay? You might not have known what the Wallace family, mean. But because of your input, because of your interference, good interference, no. When people say you use them, Randy, people use as being derogatory. Randy, let people use you because the end product is if you was not there for people to use you to establish themselves, life would be a dead place to live. Randy, thank you so much. I talked to my sister. I am when she called me back and she ran out of the card she had. So my brethren, now I have a chance that I can talk to my sister now 24/7. Thanks. Me not say nothing more. Thanks. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Keep up the work, yeah? And please, Randy, please, you are the first of the Jamaica programs I accidentally linked into. There were lots of them there before you. But when you say you're going to visit an old lady in Weber's, Randy, I thought of all the old ladies that was there along with my mother. And when it turned into my father's and my mother's driveway, you brought me home. Randy, you're telling people you go to the plantation, you're going to progress them, you're going to tell them about the world, going to know about them. But Randy, even if those people you encourage to put their products on the shelves, if it does not materialize, Randy, there are a lot of Jamaicans in London, in England, in America, and across the world. You've been to Africa. You see what stabilization, whole life could have been like. My brethren, I thank you so much to portraying the beautiful life that Jamaicans can share. You bring back my grandfather, you bring back my father. When my sister sit down and tell you about my father, he was a blessed man. I talked to my nephew Vassal in Florida, and he loved Papa like to the ground he walk on. Randy, thank you for bringing out this thing in the people of the world that did not know the Wallace family. When you went there, You did not know the Wallace family, but you enable me when I tell my wife about us, how humble we were. Thank you, Randy. Because now the Jamaicans that come at England go show off and say, me did they so, me did they so, my father was this, my mother was this. Me. The humility that you bring home allow me to share what I've said to my wife and my children. Randy, thank you. You cut out a lot of the bossy artists that people come from Jamaica, come show off, and they fall from them faces. Randy, if I fall from my face, I would love to know that I can come back a yard, go down a gully, plant two coconut, plant one catch crop, one pimento, that you go into the bigger crab with like years ago. My brethren, plant two pepper, two tomatoes. As long as you can feed ourselves, we can deal with it. And that's what you portray. And I love that. Randy, me chat a lot. Me chat too much. You listen to me, you don't have to tell everybody what me say, but brethren, God bless you. Keep up the good work. Don't change it. Don't, Randy, if I tell you, my brethren, that you're a book out of this old man, you're a page out of this old man life, trust me, that's true. God bless you, son. Don't stop. Life is short. I don't, I wouldn't expect you to have a, like when you go to Galway the other day, there will not be a statue established in Jamaica, in Africa, in America, to make your little daughter there now. That was my dad. But how many of our children stay around and say, yes, that was my dad? Your liberty is going to continue, my brethren, and I hope that it does. We chat a lot, but you can't listen to me. Please, on the final note, this Adrian is in London. He's an old man that you might have a carry me coffin come bury in Jamaica. I hope that I'm going to come and come pick a mango off of your tree, Rasta. But as long as God give you breath, beg you, I beg you, Randy, don't give up. Don't take foolishness and make you give up. Please, son, keep the good work going. I'll bless. Bro, thank you. It'll be long chat like last time. I spoke to my sister, blood, clear as bell. I was one of the first to correspond with her. I'm gonna call her back. I just called my sister Mad so she can match and talk. Thank you, Randy. I'm gonna mumble, I'm going, my virgin. But give thanks. I speak to you as soon as, yeah? Please, don't chew me up and spit me out. The love, the identity, Jamaica Good Life is in your hands. Don't drop it. And please tell me how I'm in London. Which outlet is in London? Me want a couple of Jamaica Good Life t-shirt. Yeah? But we don't know where in London to get it. Yeah? Whether I can order it from Jam Down. Give me a link, yeah? Give thanks, bro. Bless you.